I'm going to show you how to build real muscle at home with a step-by-step guide using 7 science-backed upgrades that will make you go from skinny to solid. From chest-popping push-ups that reshape your body to recovery hacks only pro athletes follow. This is going to be your transformation blueprint. I'm going to show you how to bulk up from the top of your body all the way down. Start with number 1, chest max. Most guys think they can't grow a big chest without lifting weights or using a gym. But actually, it's all about how you move your body weight, not how much weight you lift. And here's the craziest part. Science shows that slow, controlled reps activate more muscle fibers than fast reps with weight. That means body weight push-ups, when done right, beat bench presses. I want you to try this with me. Get into a push-up position and lower yourself down slowly for 3 seconds. Now pause for 1 second at the bottom, then push up hard. You just activated deep muscle fibers most guys never touch. Now we take it to the next level. Do 10 wide push-ups, 10 diamond push-ups, and 10 regular push-ups. No rest in between. Then rest 30 seconds and do it again. That's a push-up circuit. You're going to see an instant burn, and after a few weeks, real chest growth. And think about it, chest maxing just gave you real results, without touching a single weight. Wait until we shoulder max, back max, even arm max. This is just beginning. By the end of this video, you'll look and feel like a new man. Number 2, shoulder max. You don't need dumbbells to build wide, defined shoulders. Most people don't understand the power of bodyweight angles. That's why you've seen no growth. Here's what I need you to do. You're going to start with pike push-ups. Walk your feet close to your hands so your body forms an upside-down V. Lower your head straight down, then push back up. Do 3 sets of 10. You'll feel it in your delts instantly. Then I want you to do handstand holds against the wall. Kick up and hold it for 20-30 seconds. This is called isometric loading, and it stimulates shoulder muscle in a totally different way. And if you want to speed this up, add time under tension, slow reps, deep stretch, controlled form. That's how you grow muscle using nothing but your own body. Now let's grow your back. Number 3, back max. Most guys skip back day at home because they think you can't hit it without a pull-up bar. Wrong. It's about resistance angles and body positioning. You're going to grab a towel and anchor it to a door handle. Lean back. Pull yourself forward. That's a row. Now squeeze your shoulder blades together at the top. That one squeeze? It's what triggers the growth. Next, get on your stomach and do reverse snow angels. Arms out front. Lift and sweep them down to your hips. Keep them hovering just above the ground. You'll feel your upper back activate instantly. This combo of towel rows and snow angels, it's your no equipment solution to a stronger back. But if you want an edge, and you're eating clean, sleeping well, and pushing hard, this is the point where you add. Bulk Extreme is a cutting-edge nutritional supplement designed for strength training athletes. It helps build muscle mass, supports physical and mental fitness, reduces fatigue, and optimizes testosterone levels. Made from 13 natural ingredients, Bulk Extreme boosts strength, enhances sexual performance, and helps men achieve their ideal physique. Stack that with your training, and you've got serious momentum. Try it out, link in description. Now let's move to your core. Number 4, core max. You don't need crunches. You don't need a gym. You need stability. And that starts with static holds. We're going to start with a reverse crunch hold. Lie on your back. Pull your knees up and lift your hips. Hold it for 10 seconds. That engages your lower abs deeper than a sit-up. Now roll into a hollow body hold. Lift your shoulders and legs just a few inches off the ground. Keep your lower back flat against the floor. This is the gold standard of core strength. Do each of these for 3 rounds. Not only will your abs start showing, your posture, your strength, your control, everything changes. Number 5, leg max. You don't need squats with weights. You just need the right form and the right pain. Do Bulgarian split squats with 1 foot on a chair behind you. Go down slowly. Push through the front heel. That activates your quads and glutes. 3 sets of 10 per leg. Now finish with jump squats. Drop down and explode up. 3 sets of 12 reps. These create fast twitch muscle that makes your legs look powerful, not skinny. For soreness, it means it's working. Number 6, arm max. Skinny guys usually think arms need curls, but actually, your arms grow fastest with compound pressure and time under tension. We start with chair dips. Slide your hands behind you on the edge of a bench or chair. Lower down slowly. Pause. Then push up. Do 3 sets of 15. Now into close grip push-ups. Hands under your chest, elbows tight. This blasts your triceps, the biggest muscle in your arms. Want to hit biceps too? Load up a backpack with books. Do slow curls. Squeeze at the top. 3 sets of 12. That one squeeze tells your brain, grow. You don't need a gym. just angles, gravity, and control. Now we move into the most powerful step. Number 7, recovery max. This is where most skinny guys fall off. You train hard, you sweat, you push, but you forget the most anabolic part of your day. Sleep is your growth window. You need 7 to 9 hours of deep, uninterrupted sleep every night. Set a cutoff time. No scrolling, no late night snacks, just lights out. Now protein. You need around 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. That's what fuels muscle repair. That's what builds mass. Bulk Extreme helps you hit those levels consistently, especially if you can't get enough protein from food alone. And the final part, stretching. Deep static stretches after every workout. This increases flexibility, lowers soreness, and supports long-term gains, and grow in your recovery, not your workout. Let's recap what we just did. You've chest maxed, you've shoulder maxed, you've back maxed, you've core maxed, you've leg maxed, you've arm maxed. You even learned how to recovery max. I promised you a step-by-step muscle building guide that actually works. No gym, no weights, no nonsense. That's what this was. You're not just trying random push-ups anymore. You're following a system, a method, built to turn skinny guys into strong, athletic men. And now, it's your turn.